Limak Limra Hotel, Kids Concept. 5 stars. Experience world-class service at Limak Limra Hotel, Kids Concept, offering extensive and unique facilities specifically tailored for kids. Limak Limra Hotel comes with a mini club, cartoon screening sessions and variety of games. You will find kids pool and water slides as well. Special events are held 3 days of a week, including a horse farm visit and pizza cooking activities with kids. The hotel organizes kite festival for young guests once a week. Great value. Wide selection of food. Clean. Friendly staff. Plenty of things to do. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Very nice hotel. The party at night and the food was good. A member of staff Enver was extremely responsive, thanks to him personally. I also want to mention the waitress Aida, pleasant. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.